Hey there, fellow busy parent. Imagine starting your day in a kitchen that's not just clean but sparkling and organized without spending hours scrubbing. I'm your handy neighbor sharing secrets from my own chaotic family life. Today, we're diving into 10-minute kitchen deep clean hacks that fit right into your packed schedule. No fancy tools needed, just smart shortcuts using stuff you already have. We'll transform that sticky counter and overflowing sink into a space that makes meal prep a breeze. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll feel empowered to tackle your kitchen chaos. Let's start with the hook. Ever wished for a wipe down that cuts grease in seconds? That's up next. Get ready to say goodbye to grime. First things first, set up your station. Grab a spray bottle, white vinegar, dish soap, and a microfiber cloth. These are your best friends for a quick win. Mix equal parts vinegar and water with a squirt of soap for a powerhouse degreaser. It's eco-friendly, cheap, and cuts through buildup like magic. As a mom of two, I know mornings are rushed, so this hack lets you refresh counters in under 2 minutes. Spray generously on surfaces, let it sit for 30 seconds, watch the fizz action break down that morning's pancake residue. Wipe away and voila, your stainless steel shines without streaks. This simple step builds momentum. Now let's move to the sink where hidden grime hides from daily rinses. You're already on your way to a confidence-boosting clean, keep going. Now onto the sink, that sneaky spot where food bits linger. For this hack, sprinkle baking soda directly into the basin. It's a natural abrasive that tackles stains without harsh chemicals. Add a splash of vinegar for that satisfying fizz, then scrub with a non-scratch sponge. In my home, this erases coffee rings and tomato sauce splatters in just 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly and notice how fresh it feels under your hands. Busy families love this because it's safe for kids to watch and helps prevent clogs too. Feel that sense of control washing over you? Great. Next, we'll hit the stovetop where grease builds up fastest during family dinners. This rising action is all about layering quick wins to make your kitchen work for you, not against you. Stovetop time, grab a lemon and coarse salt for this citrus-powered scrub. Cut the lemon in half, dip the cut side in salt, and rub directly on burners and knobs. The acid dissolves grease while salt scrubs gently. It's like nature's eraser for burnt-on bits. I do this weekly in my house, and it keeps things safe and odor-free. No lingering fish smells from last night's dinner. Takes barely 90 seconds and your cooktop gleams, making family meals more enjoyable. You're building efficiency here. Imagine prepping dinner without that sticky resistance. Up next, cabinets, those doors that collect fingerprints from little hands. These hacks are turning your kitchen into a smooth-running space, saving you precious time for what matters most. Don't forget the cabinets, they're fingerprint magnets in busy homes. Mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a cup of water in a spray bottle for a quick polish. Spritz lightly and wipe with a microfiber cloth. It repels dust and adds a subtle shine to wood finishes. This hack from my grandma's playbook takes 1 minute per door and keeps things looking new without waxy buildup. For families, it means less dusting and more playtime. See how your kitchen's starting to feel lighter? Keep the momentum. Next, fridge shelves where spills hide. These steps are practical magic, helping you reclaim your space and reduce daily stress effortlessly. Fridge shelves are spill central. Pull them out and wipe with your vinegar mix on a cloth. For stubborn spots, a baking soda paste works wonders. Apply, let sit 30 seconds, then rinse. In 2 minutes, those jelly smears from kids' snacks vanish and your produce stays fresher longer. I swear by this for weekly resets. It prevents odors and makes grocery days smoother. You're halfway through our core hacks. Feeling that satisfaction yet? Absolutely. Now let's tackle the microwave, that forgotten hotspot for exploded tomato sauce. Each of these is a quick win, boosting your home management confidence one surface at a time. Microwave magic, fill a bowl with water and lemon slices, microwave on high for 2 minutes. The steam loosens all that baked-on gunk. Wipe with a damp cloth and it's like new without elbow grease. Perfect for busy evenings when you're reheating leftovers. This hack saves time and keeps your kitchen smelling citrusy fresh. Building on our streak, your deep clean is progressing beautifully. Up next, floor quick sweep, because crumbs don't wait. These demonstrations are all about real-life efficiency, turning chores into clever shortcuts that fit your lifestyle. Floors last in our rising action. Mix vinegar and water in a bucket, dip a mop or cloth and wipe in sections. For sticky spots, add a drop of dish soap. This natural shine takes 1 minute per square foot and repels dirt longer. In family kitchens, it means safer, cleaner play areas. You've nailed the basics, your kitchen's evolving from cluttered to calm. Now, as we hit the climax, let's amp it up with advanced organization tips that prevent future mess. You're doing amazing. These hacks are your ticket to a hassle-free home. Climax alert, advanced hack DIY drawer dividers from cardboard or old boxes, cut to fit and taped sturdy. Sort utensils by use, daily on top, specials below. This 5-minute setup ends the "where's the spatula" scramble forever. For busy families, it's a game changer, streamlining breakfast rushes. Watch how everything finds its place, reducing clutter buildup. Feeling that empowerment surge? Hold on, next, a challenge. Tackle your spice rack with rotation tips to keep flavors fresh and organized. This is where your clean meets maintenance for long-term wins. Challenge accepted. Spice rack refresh. Wipe jars with soapy water, label dates, and rotate oldest front, newest back. This prevents waste and spices up meals quickly. In 3 minutes, your rack's optimized, saving money on expired buys. Families benefit from easy access during cooking marathons. You've conquered the climax. Now your kitchen's not just clean, but smartly set up. As we wrap up, reflect on how these hacks fit your life, time saved for family moments. Coming up, the satisfying recap to seal the deal. Recap time: we've covered counters with vinegar spray, sink with baking soda fizz, stovetop lemon scrub, cabinet polish, fridge wipe down, microwave steam, floor mop, drawer dividers, and spice rotation. Each hack under 10 minutes total, using household heroes for a deep clean that lasts. Benefits: less stress, more family time, and a kitchen that supports your busy life. You've got the tools to make this routine. Try one today and feel the difference. It's all about those quick wins, building lasting habits. Now for the call to action that keeps the motivation flowing. There you have it, your kitchen's ready to thrive. If these hacks spark joy in your home management, hit like, subscribe to Home Hacks Daily for more efficient tips, and comment your favorite below. Share with a busy friend who needs this. Thanks for joining me. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Until next time, keep hacking that home life. You've got this.